Week 1. Hopefully by now to get this, you had to take the syllabus quiz. Hopefully you watched the video on the syllabus, giving you a little bit of idea what we're going to do this semester. Like I said, we're going to try to cover a lot of material, try to cover this entire textbook. So we're looking at week 1. Now I want to go through a few things that I normally post each week, or at least for each chapter. I've got them organized into 3 areas: resources, assignments, and exam. In the resource section, you're going to see a copy of the PowerPoint slides. You're going to see a link to Quizlet, which is a tool that will help you learn the terminology in the text. So you just click the link, it opens up in the same window, and it gives you a list of all the terms. So you can click the slide and get the answer, go back and forth, go to next cards. So it just depends. But Quizlet also lets you have different study modes. You can study matching, learn, attest, flashcards, spell. I just put up the flashcards, but you can use Quizlet whatever you want to do. You can set the options, you can shuffle it, go in sequence, whatever you want to do. But it's just a tool for you to use to help you gather the material in the class. Now, let me go back. The other thing I'm going to do in this chapter is I'm going to give you the answers to the odd number exercises. You go, woohoo! I says, well, if I'm giving the answers to the odds, you can bet that I'm going to give you the even number questions on the assignments. But since other problems around the ones I assign may be similar, it will give you a view into what I'm looking for. So I hope it helps you in developing and learning more about algorithms as we go along. Now, for this week, I've got those 3 posted. Now, as far as assignments are concerned, since we're not an online class, or since we are an online class, not seated, I just like you to do either a short video, 30 seconds, whatever, or a PowerPoint slide, whatever you feel comfortable with. But I want you to take a picture yourself, post a picture on it, share something that you would normally share to a stranger or in a classroom setting. Nothing overly personal, just something shared. And your preferred learning style. Being an online class, I make guesstimates as far as what students want to see, what would they teach the material better, and they'd understand it better. So whether it's if you know what you like, or if you want to look on the internet for free quizzes, if you don't really know what your learning style is, just what do you like? Do you like it? Like videos, like reading? Would you like to see more hands-on exercises? Just something that would help me move this class along in a way that you'll get the material. Now, as we said in the syllabus video, there are basically 2 types of assignments. Well, in theory 3. There are exercises, and those are just some of the basic fundamental facts of the material presented in the chapter. And in this case, you're going to do, 2, 4, 6, and 10, even numbered. And then I usually assign 1 problem. Now, the problems are, in this case, more pseudocode or program related. So they'll probably take you a little bit longer. So the exercises are the basic material stuff, and the problems are just kind of more of the application of it. Now, another thing we do as far as an assignment is a reflection journal. A reflection journal is your way of giving me feedback on a weekly basis how you're doing in the class. So 100 words, free format. You can let me know anything else, whether you like the way I'm lecturing, not lecturing, difficulty, you're having whatever. It's 100 words or more, whatever you want. But remember, these reflection journals were a 3% of your grade. So there's no right or wrong answer. But I do use it to count for attendance, so I need them by Wednesday night at midnight. And then this week we also have your first chapter exam. Now, it's not timed. It's true, false, multiple choice, I think. It may be fill in the blank in there too, I don't know. I have to look at the details, but you get 2 attempts, and I count your highest score. So that's kind of what you can kind of expect, that this kind of format, week in, week out. I probably will post, maybe even some of this is, I need to, actually with this week, I need to create the lecture for chapter 1. So I'll usually post a video on the lecture material for chapter 1. So those are the types of things that I will post week in, week out. Hopefully give you an idea what to expect this week. I know it's the first week, but a lot of material, and I think it'd be important if you're going to stay in programming. Have fun. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.